Hi there, welcome back to JayDemy again. So today we are going to discuss about how to install Terraform on Linux machine. So as previous video we saw how to install Terraform on Windows machine. That was very simple. In same way, first we'll see how to install Terraform on Linux as well. So this is straightforward. Download the binary and move to the correct path. That's it. That's simple how this Terraform installation is. So yeah, let us see how we will install this Terraform in Linux machine. So the same way, for anything we need to just go to public document where we have downloaded Terraform for Windows. Same here also you can see Linux we have 32, 64 and ARM 64. I am going to download this one in my Linux machine. I just copy right click and copy link address. So before that I need to connect to my Linux machine. I have one Linux machine running in my Amazon account, AWS account. First I need to copy public IP of this machine, and I need to log in for this one. So give me a moment. I will just open my putty where I will log into my server. So I'm using Amazon Linux one. So I need to username and as well as my host name, and I'll just load my previous session. Okay, everything is there. Okay, I'll just open this one, and it is asking you want to connect to your Linux machine. Yes, I want to connect to my Linux machine here. Okay, so how good it is. It is very easy to connect Linux machine, and it's very fast also. Okay, now okay, so let me clear this one, and I need to get the link address. This one, just click on right click, don't download it in our local. Okay, just cancel this one, just click on right click and copy the link address, go to your server, just use wget and paste the link you have copied. See, it is downloaded 100%. It is downloaded and it is saved to my directory. Just I will list it. See, if you see here, this is there. So I need to unzip it. This is in Terraform one. So I mean this is a zip file. I need to unzip it. Unzip Terraform. So archive Terraform. So inflating Terraform. So now Terraform is installed in my directory. If you see here, Terraform is installed. So I just go navigate down. Okay, and yeah. Yeah, now if you see here, Terraform is there. So if I execute Terraform, it won't show. Why? Because as I mentioned already, you need to download and you need to move it to right path. So what I will do, how can I know which path I want to move? Echo, just list the path. Okay, echo $path. You can see we have listed a few paths. So now what I will do, just move my Terraform to user local bin. Okay, move cannot move, permission denied. So I'm moving to slash, right? Slash is nothing but root. So I need to use sudo privileges. Just use sudo in front of this. Just now it is moved. Now I can execute Terraform. See, now Terraform is working here. This is how you need to install Terraform on Linux machine. This is how very simple you can install Linux on your any of the Linux machines and you can use it. So this is how simple Terraform installation. Okay, yes, that is how you need to install it. That's how the beauty of Terraform installation is very easy in Linux installation. So we have just downloaded and moved to correct path. That is how you need to install. So, and yeah, from next session we will start using, we will see how to install Atom editor for our workspace, and how to use infrastructure as a code, how we can write infrastructure as a code for Terraform with ease of using Atom editor. Okay, stay tuned, wait for the further updates and the further videos. Thank you very much.